How events are different in React.
Handling events in React elements has some syntactic differences. 1. React event handlers are named using camel case, rather than lowercase. 2. With JSX you pass a function as the event handler, rather than a string.
What will happen if you use the setState method in the constructor?
When you use the setState method, then apart from assigning to the object state, React also re-renders the component and all its children. You would get an error like this: can only update a mounted or mounting component. So we need to use this .state to initialize variables inside the constructor.
Is it good to use the setState method in the componentWillMount method?
It is recommended to avoid async initialization in componentWillMount method lifecycle method. The componentWillMount method is invoked immediately before mounting occurs. It is called before the render method, therefore setting state in this method will not trigger re-render. Avoid introducing any side effects or subscriptions in this method. We need to make sure async calls for component initialization happened in the componentDidMount method instead of a componentWillMount method.
Why do we need to be careful when spreading props on DOM elements?
When we spread props, we run into the risk of adding unknown HTML attributes, which is a bad practice. Instead, we can use prop destructuring with REST operator, so it will add only required props.
How you use decorators in React.
You can decorate your class components, which is the same as passing the component into a function. Decorators are the flexible and readable way of modifying component functionality.